Oh, Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping. Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping. Yeah. Oh, friend, it went down last night. Yes, I found this little 3-server buffet holder on Amazon, and baby, I went all out. I made some orange chicken, some crawfish fried rice, green beans, baby, all that from scratch. I got my rice right here. Make sure you get you some day-old rice. This rice from yesterday, yes ma'am. I got my little frozen vegetables, my garlic, my onions. Baby, when I say it went down, okay? Here are all the seasonings I use: sesame oil, soy sauce, rice vinegar. Baby, this orange pepper right here is fire, okay? Red pepper flakes, ginger, garlic, complete seasoning. But he needs to go ahead and sponsor me because, baby, that's all I use. Go ahead and get your wok. Girl, if you ain't using no wok, you ain't cooking no Chinese food. Get your oil in there on about medium heat. Then you're going to add your diced onions. Saute them up for about a good 5 minutes. Make sure they get a little brown on them, a little caramelization on them. Then add your garlic, your crawfish tails. Clean them, y'all. Make sure you clean them crawfish tails because when they come out that pack, they all orange and slimy and nasty. Clean them till that water run clear, okay? Saute that up for a minute. Y'all smell good as hell in here right now. Then your seasonings. This is just a combination of everything I had on the table. And like always, do not fret, my friend. I will have this recipe in the description. And if your crawfish didn't change color, baby, go on back to the cabinet, get some more seasoning and put it on there. Because if you can't see it, it ain't enough. Saute for about 7 minutes. Then add your frozen vegetables. Oh, y'all, accidentally I got the ones with the damn green beans in there. I was like, what the hell? But I ain't doing no tripping. Saute that up for about 7 minutes. Now you're just going to move everything to one side. We're going to get some more sesame oil in here so we can add the rice and go ahead and fry it up, baby. And remember, this is day-old rice. Cold, out the refrigerator, clumped up. The best way to do it. It's really the only way to do it, y'all. Go ahead and try to make you a pot of rice and fry this rice hot, straight out the pot. It's not going to work. It's going to be mushy. It ain't going to be right. So yeah, you're going to fry that rice for about a good 8 minutes, 8 to 9 minutes on its own side. Just go ahead and keep stirring it, mixing it around. If you need some more oil, put that in there. You're going to know when it's ready. You're going to see a little crisp coming to the edges. And just keep working it. Don't let it stick to the bottom now. Oh, Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping, yeah. Toss that up one more time. And we're going to go ahead and get this sauce in here, y'all. This is all the sauces that was on the table. The soy sauce, sesame oil. Then I added some smoked paprika for a little color and a little flavor, y'all. If you don't have smoke, that's fine. But you need to go get you some smoked paprika. It's so good, y'all. Then I added some Cajun seasonings. And I know this Asian cuisine, but I'm finna add Cajun seasoning to everything because that's just what I'm finna do. All right, give it a little stir. Now get that rice to one side because we got to add these eggs in here, y'all. Let them cook for a second. You don't want them to mix up with your rice at all. I don't know if you ever cooked eggs with something raw like this, but it gets stuck all over everything. It just be a mess. So you're going to cook them over here on their own side for a second till everything intact. Then you can put them over there in that rice. Get that in that serving pan because this presentation finna be on point. Baby, look at this rice. Fire. Fire. Oh, I got my server on low. I'm about to put this in there. Let this stay warm and we're going to start this orange chicken, y'all. Oh my God. So delectable. So easy. It seems like a lot of ingredients, but y'all, it really ain't that much going on. So for the wet batter for the chicken, you're going to start with some flour and some cornstarch. Don't worry, I'm going to have the measurements in the description. You know that. Add your seasonings. Heavy on the orange pepper, okay? Because that flavor is finna pop. And I got a fresh orange too. Go ahead and add your egg, some sesame oil, and some water. Go ahead and mix that up. This is finna be the perfect batter, y'all. Y'all can honestly use this batter right here for anything. Super good. Just whip that up till it's smooth. Okay, then I got some chicken breasts right here. I cut all the fat and vessels and all that shit off of there. Cut it up in cubes. I got my seasonings right here, heavy on the orange pepper. Okay, let's go. So good, y'all. The flavors in this is crazy, so citrusy. And I'm using orange juice and fresh orange zest. This is gonna be so good, y'all. Just mix that up a little bit. Then get your seasoned chicken right into that wet batter. Oh, now for the sauce. Orange juice, fresh of course. Orange zest. Get you some rice vinegar. The measurements will be in the description. Do not worry. You're going to get you some brown sugar in there and some garlic powder. Y'all get this on the stove on medium-high heat. Cook it for about 7 minutes and make sure you stir frequently because it will get stuck to the bottom. Okay, we got the wok cleaned out. We got some vegetable oil in here. We're just going to fry up our little chicken bites. That's about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Oh, when they nice and golden brown, go ahead and get them out that grease and in a mixing bowl. We got to get this sauce on here, y'all. Oh, they came out like this. Go ahead and stir them bad boys up. Throw some green onions on that rice. Yes, look at that orange chicken. Throw some green onions on there too. I made some little green beans, baby. Come on. I'm about to have you in that kitchen impressing, okay? Y'all, this shit was so good. Try it. Recipe gonna be in the description. Get you one of these little 3-tray buffet servers. Like, my kids was happy, my man was happy, y'all. We had an amazing dinner. Hold on. She in the kitchen. And she whisked.